Hello children, the question given here is assertion and reason type, and we have to see whether both are correct or not, or whether only assertion is correct or not, or reason is correct or not. So we also have to see children that the reason is correctly explaining the assertion or not. So for this, let's read out the assertion first. Now assertion is saying DNA is more chemically stable than RNA, and reason is saying in DNA, every nucleotide residue has an H group at 2' position in the deoxyribose sugar, while RNA has 2' OH group. So children, let's move to NCERT for the correct answer. In NCERT children, on page number 87, we can see here it is mentioned that further 2' OH group present at every nucleotide in RNA is a reactive group and makes the RNA labile and easily degradable. RNA is also known to be catalytic, hence reactive. Therefore, DNA chemically is less reactive and structurally more stable when compared to RNA, because there is no hydroxyl group at 2' position. So, let's move to the among the two nucleic acids means DNA and RNA. DNA is a better genetic material because it is less reactive and more stable. So let's move to the question here again children, and here children we can see that both assertion, reason as well as option number 1 is correct. And how it is true we can see, because here it is the structure of deoxyribose sugar, and here this is oxygen, while here we can see one OH group and one H is there at the 1' position. At the 2' position children, we can see here 2 hydrogens are there, okay, and at this position, which is 3' carbon, we can see one H and other OH is there, and at the 4' position also one hydroxyl plus one hydrogen ion is there, and along with this one methyl group is there. So this is the structure of deoxyribose sugar in sugar in DNA, okay. Now what happens here, let's see what happens children. Here we can see there is only OH at 3' and only H as 2'. So the repulsive force is not acting here between these two H and OH, means hydrogen and hydroxyl groups, which occurs in RNA, because in RNA here also at 2' position OH group is there. So there is a repulsive force which occurs and makes the RNA unstable and highly reactive. So that is why because of this structure, DNA is more stable and less reactive, okay. So here we can see that the assertion is correct and reason is correctly explaining the assertion well. So we will choose answer as option number 1. Thank you.